Buongiorno a tutti, welcome back everybody. Today I'm gonna show you the ladyfinger or the Savoiardi. Ladyfinger? Why ladyfinger? It's more close to mine, but anyway. Let's whisk the yolks with the custard sugar for at least 15 minutes. Now that our mix of yolks and sugar is ready, let's leave in the fridge and let's start with egg white. Be careful, clean and dry very well your mixing bowl, otherwise your egg white is not gonna grow up. Let's whisk our egg white with the custard sugar. Even for this preparation you will need at least 15 minutes. Let's combine our yolks, our whites and the powder, but be careful because it's a very delicate process. Let's add to the yolk 1/3 of the white and let's mix it very gently from the bottom to the top. And 1/3 of the powder. And again 1/3 of the egg whites, 1/3 of the powder. And that's it, let's add the rest. And let's finish to mix it very gently to not ruin the fluffiness. Now let's form our Savoiardi, our ladyfingers, on a tray. But before to cook it, let's sprinkle with icing sugar and custard sugar. This one is gonna protect our Savoiardi, making a layer on top of them, and like this they don't gonna lose the shape. So now that we conquest this recipe, now you're able to do the Savoiardi or ladyfinger that you can eat as a biscuit like that or in a fabulous tiramisu that I'm gonna show you in the next recipe. So subscribe to my channel to don't miss it. So guys, if you like my video, push my small face, little face, round face, I don't know how to call it. And you can find my other recipe over here. So give us a like, comment, and let me know what you think.